Hello guys, Alejandro here, founder of Caballero Wear. Oh, and who do we got? What's your name back there?
Gianluca.
And Gianluca. And we wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with Caballero. So we have been absent when it comes to our YouTube and Instagram, and the truth is we've been busy hiring new people. We added 13 new employees to the business, and it's a lot of work. Everybody has been hands on deck trying to make sure we know what we're doing. So with that said, we are really excited about doing our summer sale. Everybody will get 20% off for all of the collections that we have. We have collections that are ready to ship next day. And anything that's made to order, you can also get a discount on that as well, on top of the discount that we already give you for waiting because it's made to order. Gianluca, you're not making me happy right now. You're not being a good listener. And that's how we discipline and that's how we discipline kids. Kids back there whining. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update. Make sure to check the link below. There is a link that will take you to our website where the discount is already applied. Save 20%, grab yourself a pair of dope caballeros. And I will see you guys on the next videos. There's going to be a lot more stuff happening, so stay tuned, guys. Create a beautiful day. What do you say, Gianluca?
Thank you.
Perfect.
Bye.
Bye later, guys.